Hi guys, I'm Marty, development chef here at Tucker Fresh IGA, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an authentic Italian carbonara. It's fast, easy, delicious, it's fun to make, and we've just got 5 ingredients. We've got pancetta, which is cured pork belly. We've got our spaghetti pasta. We have beautiful grana padano cheese. We've got our eggs, and we've got some cracked black pepper. So guys, I'm starting off, put the pancetta in the pan. It's really important that you use a cold pan because you want to render the fat out of the pancetta to get all those beautiful flavors into the sauce. And then with your pasta, you want to bring your water to the boil. I'm just going to put some semolina flour into the pasta water. And what this does is it basically introduces more starch to the pasta water and gives you a really nice emulsification of the sauce. So I'm just adding my spaghetti to the boiling water. A little trick is get your spaghetti in 2 hands and twist it before you drop it into the water. What this does is it just spreads the pasta. So I'm just going in with my egg, guys. We're going to use 3 whole eggs and 1 yolk. The purpose of using the 1 yolk is just to give the sauce more richness. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you don't get any shells in there. And the last one, we're just going to separate the whites into the bowl and just drop your yolk in. Next, we're going to use a micro pane, although a normal grater is fine. And we're just going to get some of that beautiful cheese in there. When that's done, get a fork. It's best to use a fork as opposed to a whisk. Whenever you use a fork, it keeps the air from the mixture. And we're just going to bring it together gently like this. Beautiful. So at this stage, guys, my pancetta is beautiful and golden. I'm just going to double check the pasta that it's soft enough. It's been in here for about 8 minutes. Just be careful when you're grabbing a piece, but don't be afraid to just try it. Make sure it's soft enough, it's good to go. Now you're going to remove the pan from the heat. This part's really important. You really want to make sure that you've got the right temperature control. And we're not going to strain the pasta. Also really important. Just dig your tongs in. Transfer it to the pan. You want to get that starchy pasta water into the pan because what that's going to do is it's going to help emulsify the sauce. Pasta water, more water, more water. And we're just going to give this a good mix. And at this stage, you're just going to grab your egg and cheese mixture, pan off the heat, mixture straight in. And you're just going to work this through. And you'll notice it straight away. It's going to start to emulsify and turn into this beautiful creamy pasta without the cream. So we're just going to finish off with some, when I say some, I mean a very generous helping of cracked black pepper and some finely chopped parsley just for a little bit of colour and a little bit of added freshness. So there we have it, traditional authentic Italian carbonara.